Be our guest. Shah Rukh Khan Gauri invite fans to stay at their house. Imagine getting a chance to stay at Shah Rukh Khan's house and living like a superstar. That's too for free. In a tweet, the interior designer Gauri shared that she has collaborated with Airbnb and is offering fans a chance to be their guest to get a chance to stay at the Khan's residence. She said, "Our Delhi home is filled with memories of our early days. That dream might just become a reality on Valentine's Day 2021 as SRK's wife Gauri Khan offered a couple a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to spend 2 nights at their home in Delhi, in the city where she and her husband grew up.